So in continuation with the previous video where we have seen the creating a price list, here I'm going to discuss that how to use the price list prices in the store and create an order from a store user's perspective. All right, so for that, I'll just show you quickly how the price list was created. So if you see here, I have already selected my organization and now I'm going to the pricing. Here in the pricing, I click on the find price list. I did here a blank search. So these are the two price lists I have already created. So I'm going to the second one and I'll just show you one of the items here. So this is the item. If you see that purse, it has a list price of 40, absolute adjustment of $4. So total it's coming to the calculated price as 44. All right, so just keeping this in mind, these figures, I'll quickly go to store engagement and here I'll go to customer service. In customer service, as a store user who would be working on a scenario where a customer walks in and wants to do a pickup at store order. So what the store user can do can just search and find that particular order. Like here, the purse is displayed once you search it, and I here select for a by default the shipping is selected. So I'll just go ahead and quickly add it to the cart. Once it is added, so here if you have noticed that for against this purse SKU, the price is 44, which is the list price. This is what I wanted to show you here. And another place where you can see is the unit price. Here now unit price is 44 against one quantity. So I'll go and do it, check out. So here once I do check out, if you remember in previous screen, I have selected shipping. So here this particular item is not available for shipping. So it's asking me to change the delivery method. So we can see the edit delivery method. I'll go to the second one, pickup. Here in the same store, it can be picked up. So I select this store. Now the one quantity is added here. The next step would be identifying the customer. So I click here, look for an existing customer and search. So this customer is displayed. I'll say okay. So if you see, the customer is already selected. Now I can go ahead and click on continue. Here the payment type is displayed. Here the payment type is card. So if I click on the payment type, expand it, and it shows credit card, and in credit card the amount is displayed $44. So here I'll confirm the payment. Which another thing which you can notice here, the already the order is created. This particular order is in this particular order is in created status. So once you confirm, the payment would be confirmed in the order. So swap the card. So it is asking for swapping the card to the card machine in the store. I'll say okay. So continuing further here, if you see the amount is paid, so total due amount is coming 0. I'll click on continue. So pick here you can see this particular order is created, pickup is created here. All right. So if you since there is no shipment created, it is if you click on the uh, track product, it will not show you any details. So continuing further, here you see the item details are mentioned again on this page. So what I'll do, I'll go to the order fulfillment. Here, if you see the pick order has one entry here, and once the order is processed through uh, released and scheduled and shipped, so this pick request has been created. And I'll just quickly go ahead and search our order here and see if the pick request has come up right. So here we see that pick request is there. So I'll scan my item. Once I scan it, the available product were picked successfully. Do you want to continue? So the store pickup has been done. So if you see here, this one of one item has been picked. So and if you want to move ahead, if the customer is there, you can start with the customer pick either from here, or you can just close it and you go to the customer pick. Here again, you can search for that particular order, click here, and here you see that the previous customer which I have selected is already displayed. Usually as in a store, it will be asked for at the time of the time of the pickup for verification, and you can select the customer verification type. Again, scan the particular item which needs to be handed over to the customer, search it, and picked up. So this way you can see that the customer pickup has also been done. Now, that is all about using the priceless prices and to use it in customer service of store and creating an store pick order. Thank you.